Hey guys, this is Brad with BlackOvis, and I'm here with Ronnie from Jetboil, and I'm going to have him break down our 3 most popular models that we sell, a little bit of the differences between the 3 of them here, the intended use for each one is, what you're looking for in a Jetboil for your intended purpose. So Ronnie, how about we start with, let's start with my personal favorite right here. Tell us a little bit about this guy.
All right. This guy right here, this is our tried and true flagship model. This is called the Flash. So this is for someone that really wants to just be boiling water. So great for coffee, tea, or dehydrated food. So the way this thing works is, got your fuel canister inside, you got your main stove on top, tighten that bad boy on, and then it just secures right through here. Top right here, so you can also have, you can pour out the water right through here, as well as if you want to drink it, or if you want to add the coffee press to plunge for a nice French roast. So the way this thing works is 10,000 BTUs, so it's on or off. So if you decide to turn it on, you don't have anything in here, it will melt it. That's how hot it gets. And the way it does that is by this flux ring. So if you took this piece off, stretch it out, it's about 3 feet in length. This keeps all the heat directed in one spot, and that's also good for fuel efficiency. So make sure you have something in here, and then turn it on, let it rip. This will change colors, and that will let you know that the boil is happening. So the Flash, tried and true. Oh, also one more thing, it boils a half a liter of water in under 100 seconds. So pretty sick.
Yep, so that's my personal favorite because more often than not, if I'm just heading into the woods, car camping, whatever, and I'm eating a freeze dry, I just want boiling water fast. And that's really what it's designed for. Throw water in, turn it on, changes color, dump it in whatever you're gonna eat, and you're set. So pretty straightforward there. That's why I like it, very simple. Easy does it with that guy. Now, if you wanted to change it up a little bit, Ronnie, tell us about this guy here. What makes it different? What makes it different from the Flash there?
So this is called the Minimo. This guy is it's a little bit shorter, squattier version. It's 14.5 ounces cup. It's also, you don't have to go to Dairy Queen or Arctic Circle to steal the long spoons. You can use a normal spoon to actually eat out of it. It's also regulated. So what that means, it's going to have a simmer control. So you're going to actually be able to cook in it instead of burning your food. So if you want to saute some vegetables or meat and whatnot, you can actually cook it at a good heat. Also too, if you're up in higher elevations, it's going to help regulate the fuel output. So you're going to be nice fuel efficiency as well as working in colder conditions, so about 20 degrees. So that's the biggest thing. Cooking, Minimo. Boiling, Flash. That's the biggest difference.
Sweet. Now, differences between the time to boil water in this guy, how much longer, or is it about the same?
This is about under 3 minutes. You'll boil half a liter of water, while this one's under 100 seconds.
Gotcha. So yeah, it'll still get the job done if all you need to do is boil water. It just gives you a little bit more options if you do just want to slow cook or actually cook something rather than boil it. So awesome. Now let's move on to kind of the new kid on the block here. This came out last year, is that right?
Yeah, like early last year.
Early 2020. So yeah. Super cool what they've done with this one, and I'll let Ronnie tell us all about it.
So this is called the Stash. So this thing was like a brainchild of, we took the combo of having the Flash, but we wanted it to be a little bit lighter weight, more compact. So this guy is a 0.8 liter pot. Everything comes inside. You have your fuel canister that attaches on the lid, as well as a lighter that just kind of hides right here. The stove itself has titanium arms, so that's going to be a nice weight saving, and then it sits nicely with the pot on top, like so. It's about 4,500 BTUs. It boils half a liter of water in under 3 minutes. It weighs 7.1 ounces, and it all fits all into the pot, which is pretty sweet.
Yep. So super cool. Thanks, Ronnie, for breaking that down. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We've used Jetboil for many years now. We've had great luck with them. We love the products. So give us a call. Leave us a comment down below. Any questions you have, and we'd love to get back to you. Thanks, guys.